Hi there, and welcome to EP Eagles, a channel made by engineering physics students at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in illustrious Daytona Beach, Florida. As one of the smallest and little-known programs offered at Embry-Riddle, the engineering physics program is also one of the most prestigious. In this program, students will complete the best physics, engineering, and even computer engineering courses Riddle has to offer. And what does the best Riddle have to offer mean? That's right, the hardest. When EP students tell another student what major they are, the other student will either reply with, "What's that?" or, "Oh, so you take the hard physics." This reputation is thanks to the special physics for physicists courses EP and a select few of other majors take that not only focus more on theory, but also prohibit students from using equation sheets on exams, unlike the Physics for Engineers courses. Those that know about these courses know that they are grueling and time-consuming. Free time? Ha! What's that? Easy A's? You'll have to work for a B. But don't worry, because that's why this channel exists, to share the most effective tips, techniques, and tutorials for engineering and physics students from other engineering physics students who have taken these high-level courses and the professors that teach them before and have figured out what works. So please, find a video you like and let us help you understand better. And if there isn't a video on a certain topic, let us know and we'll add it to the list. Let's help each other from one EP Eagle to another.